it's Miyuki from Chizu Coffee in Oriwa. It's almost the festive season and it's all about gifting. Well, how about gifting your friends and family a lovely cup of coffee and showing off the new skills that you learned? During the week of Christmas, I'll be introducing 4 brewing methods you can try at home. Let's go! So the coffee I'm using today is Colombian Carlos Arturo from B Specialty Coffee. It is a natural process. It has a soft body, smooth mouthfeel, and milk, chocolate, tropical fruit, and Turkish delight flavor notes.